Hi, I'm Realtor Ezold, and that's right, I'm back with another new listing. Just like the United States Postal Service, neither snow nor rain can slow me down. Let's head in. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of 73 Bremen Street. If you have any questions at all or wondering what your home might be worth, feel free to contact me at the number below. I'll see you at the next one, sunshine.